and gentlemen, thank you very much for being here. And we thought it would be a good opportunity for doing any question answers, although most of the information I think we gave a lot of slides that you saw. We could not see the slides because we were facing the other way. I'm sure you would have seen the slides at the back. So we have the Minister of Foreign Affairs with us. We have our President and CEO, Mr. Henrik Ehrnrooth, with us as well, so you can ask a lot of global questions. We have Mr. Axel Berkling, Asia Pacific. You can ask a lot of Asia Pacific questions, and of course you can ask questions in India as well. So thank you once again, and please feel free if you want to ask anything.
Very dangerous to children. So anything inbuilt for protection for children's?
I would say that safety is what we take very seriously. If you see also in this factory, that's what we start with. Elevators are in fact the safest way of transporting people. But what do we do to make sure it's even safer? We go to schools, we go to events where there are a lot of families and children, and we train people. We have a specific program for that, and we even have our mascots that go there, make it relevant for children and for their parents. So this is something we have invested a lot in globally, and Amit can probably share what we have done in India in the last years, but we are very committed to safety. We have a policy that at KONE, we want all of our employees, partners and users of our equipment to get safe home every day.
So just to expand on this, we are actually asking the government to look at Lift Act, because there are many manufacturers of elevators in India. We've got different standards, so different tenders, different standards. There should be one minimum safety standard. We follow it. Being a global company, we have a global standard, and therefore we don't compromise on it at all. But the other big aspect is, like for instance, collapsible doors, which are very common. We also produced it, where hands get stuck manually. We're going to completely discontinue those doors. Not that there is not a market, but the market will start disappearing, because slowly customers are going to realize, or people are going to realize, that this is unsafe. So India's safety consciousness is growing. You see more and more people wearing helmets now on the roads than before.
Actually, plenty of accidents happened in malls for children.
So the other big thing, and Henrik just mentioned 24/7 IoT connected services. That's going to also help it. But we also have automatic rescue device now. So when an elevator gets stuck, it used to get stuck. Now it comes on floor, which is almost standard in many of the states.
Gossain, where does India fit in KONE's global scheme of things, and what is the order book position for global corporation, KONE Corporation, as well as KONE India?
You want to start?
Okay, so we are a 100% owned subsidiary of KONE Corporation. So all the global numbers are just kept with the corporation, and that's a part of it. So I think it's more relevant for a global answer.
Okay, so can you repeat the question again?
Where does KONE India fit in KONE Corporation scheme of things? In terms of our turnover, in terms of our units, and in terms of our export markets. And what is the order book position for KONE India as well as for KONE Corporation?
So,
and in your results, I remember that you had said that growth rate will be about 5% this year.
So first of all, India is, when we look at number of units that we deliver elevators and escalators, is number 2 in the world. China is by far the largest market, that's where we deliver the most. But India, in number of units delivered, is number 2. In terms of revenues, we operate in many, many countries. So today, India is about 3% of our global revenues. When you look at our global growth this year, in the first 3 quarters of the year, we have grown at about 8%. So we are growing quite rapidly, and that growth is happening all over the world.